Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, they find this, I know Crosses TV get this.
I'm not calling nobody to make them call her. I'm not easy her up. I could have even played my appetite, but not clot. That's still for sure.
No man, try to stop doing something, man. So for
Where
start.
say? Huh? Where say?
When you get my money, girl, today or tomorrow, that me want to know, girl.
What? How much
And
money?
last week you
Well,
tell
I
me.
know me answer now. How much money I have out of the money? How much money I collect so far?
I'm spending the full money to go and I get it.
You know, he want some of the money now because he want some of the money. How much money you have already? That may I
You
ask
say you
you.
could collect some more money.
Yeah.
How
How much money you have already?
Anytime you get the money, you get it. And if you want to get life or come on national and police do
You talk, bro?
No, but you see, let me tell you. No, until you get it, I be a liar. Tell. No partner, no mash up. Nobody may not show the
Nobody
partner.
never show the girl partner about that she go keep blood clot slap party what they like to have name. Like smart that wear good clothes in America. The first time tomorrow good shot that I mean Gary. The first good shot that you wear in America smart I mean get dirty. Your partner mash up. I have a blood clot go on me. Hungry belly smart, my blood clot $3,000. I'm gonna get chased for your party. And you still the blood clot. Give me every time you tell me you wait for people, bitch. Anybody will get just supposed to pay them blood clot. And what are you telling me? Suck with girl. Suck with your girl. What you tell me say? Bitch. Smart, me not even a whole up no more argument to do for my $3,000. I'm gonna show you something, bitch. You're hungry the blood clot. Me don't know how enough so. I'm not partner with some hungry belly people. Hungry more than my blood clot. Of course you're hungry. Of course you're not hungry,
No,
you're naked.
but listen.
You live like dog. You live like fly. You live like drunk crow. What are you talking about? You live like dog. Smart, you're not hungry and foreign.
How you switch family?
When you best to where you live, I be a cheap rent to the water and pure no struggle. What are you smart that struggle? You struggle. What are you talking about, girl? Make me get my blood clot $3,000. In every information I'm telling them my blood clot is bitch. Because smart, me not even make me keep my last word. I'm going to some because smart, you're hungry. You're hungry. You're not hungry like dog, Smalls.
Smart, I forget little slap up, man. Smart, I get little slap up.
Okay, I will.
No, but you
Don't worry yourself.
why you have so much thoughts and say over somebody money? Why? Relax, let me hear a shot.
Send me all my money.
Relax,
Don't worry, send me
relax,
my
let me
money.
hear a shot.
Because me I lock up that bitch for mine, a rich run for mine, a blood clot, America, me not beg no batty boy, not that tall. Me not beg not even one batty boy, something.
Relax,
I want boy, but
hear a
not
shot.
girl, a
Hey,
blood clot girl.
shut up now, let me hear a shot. Where you at?
Make me get mine, then attitude girl, bitch, let me
Relax,
get my money,
let me hear a shot
man.
and then you start to.
All man, I be a light shot, tell me one more for ear say.
Relax, let me hear a shot. Where you at?
You don't understand?
Where you at?
I tell you, some of the people want to go on the live, but this when I run from the telly, you know. Blood clot.
Where you say now?
Of course, me the
Relax.
money, but I have to give him the money, girl, bitch. I that me say. You're right.
Relax, man.
What the fuck? You hear me? I walk a beg in America.
May I
The people
say?
them beg me don't do it, and me still want it. Bitch, but you're too fucking lying. What are you talking about? You're hungry and blood clot.
No, I don't matter.
I never beg you
It's
yet.
not a matter.
No, you beg me, I
Are
never
you-
beg you. You beg me a clothes. You come on my house, you clothes, girl. Where me know you're from, bitch? Bitch, when me come, know you're from drunk crowd. This the first time you beg me a shot at me. The second time you call me for a shot at from, I'm going to tell you people you don't call up my phone. Me and somebody last time for your boot on a party, bitch. The second time you come with a shot at from, you don't call up my phone. You don't spend money by clothes and blood clots.
Where
You
you
don't
say?
buy clothes, bitch. You're right. You beg me, I never beg you yet. What are you talking about? You're right. Don't mix it back to man. You mix with me, Smalls. You mix with Me never be so dirty, batty man. You beg me never beg you. You call me, I beg me clothes. Stuck on one night, girl, right? I move your blood club. I never beg you for please. I never know your whereabouts. I come to your party, come support you right through. I be a body party book from New York, dirty smalls. You're right. But beg, whatever I said, bitch, are you beg me? Never beg you, drunk, bro. When you make get chase off for your party, I know you don't pay for the chase of them, I get for you. When you're some ungrateful batty man, smart if you then probably just beat us for the money and make it blood clot one. That's the truth. You could have done me and will up to my statue with me, because first of all, you're too bright pants up on my blood clot money. So could one eye, girl. Here. Already.
Click it again. I'm you hear me from responding before deactivate my page. So click it again.
You're that pity?
Tell us deactivate your page. Live.
This is America.
You're deactivate your live.
You are that pity? This is America. You're gonna deactivate your page?
No,
Machine on the money.
No, but you need to pay him now. But like honestly, you need to pay him. Like this doesn't make no sense. You need to pay him.
But Uncle Whipper, September 23rd, Uncle Whipper, my 3,000 last support. Uncle Belly girl, almost for wait for that. You make a sad blood clot mistake. I'm gonna show you something. You brighty, bitch. Okay.
So you couldn't get trade the money and him can get free money. I got two trade live in Nashville.
Probably Van Nashville, she know liquid take her.
All the blood clot you tell me about wait till you know what you in the blood clot like the other suck with girl I play with. You know what if I book a ticket now I find where blood clot you there anyone down in Nashville. I not ask for right start. Just say blood clot fake. It's you blood clot by the one eye girl. On September the 23rd. Say blood clot fake you bad. Let me show you something.
When you say I come in Nashville, I say take home.
Alright then.
Yeah. But just say I come in Nashville.
So what you plan to do about the money?
In the library to the bitch bride.
Eh?
Yeah, but information the partner and sent to my 23rd. But she have to get it before that. So she doesn't need to.
So let me ask you, between me and you, who the partner where?
I'm not telling you that.
So why you not come on social media? So why you not come on social media? Come ask if people them owe you.
Social media. Do I obligated to social media?
No, but you've been a come on social media. Come and clear your name so you don't thief the money.
I'm not clearing none of them.
Rob the money. Cause you people could owe you and you afraid and you in an embarrassment and now want to collect the money. No can get it come. You have to do it. But what you're saying actually makes no sense. It's quite evident that you thief the money.
Key, don't make sure find about a recording, yeah? I should move on going.
No, I no matter even me wanna think that it's quite evident say you rob the money for true. Like you legit rob the money.
Okay.
And you can't sit down and be comfortable.
I have a don't care attitude. You just don't care.
No, but you don't care. You don't care. People need. Listen to me. People actually need their money to pay their bills, and you cannot go around and ramp with people. What?
When you called me before the call went to post the thing Tuesday morning, was that very cooperative when you called me?
Alright, let me ask you a simple question. No, alright, no, it wasn't cooperative. No, me and you attack. Don't bring up call to me. Me and ask you a very civilized question. How much get $3,000? How much do you collect so far out of the $3,000?
$2,700. Two get $2,600 out of that part. The money I have the screenshot, and he's supposed to get $120.
How much out already?
All right. And I totally understand. How much do you collect so far?
Hold on.
It's like something else.
Week 12. Week 14.
You're gonna be cooperative. It's a serious crime. You can't be just going around robbing people money like that or playing with people money. You say you don't rob it, you can't just go around and play with people money. So If somebody jam up your partner, talk say at time because I jam up your partner so persons can have an understanding and not make people look like say you are the wrong person. Yes?
I just wake up.
No, listen to me and answer how much money you collect so far.
Anytime I get full money.
How much you collect so far? You need
Shen, you
half of the money
can't
or the money
answer.
we collect so far.
You're
You're a fucking thief and if I had my money, I would have different something come in buy one plane ticket and come for you, I swear.
Alright.
Yeah, you thief. Me say me that carry the police straight to your address guy to that cheaper.
From a get up to the man, not to the live, but not even make, but not even stop, but not even push no extra effort. Or if you go send the screenshot and choose the man in, but then if you not call the people, I'm gonna try to get the money. I don't make no.
So who are the people them when I want to pay $200? Is that hard? So it's that hard to pay $200? So why you not call out the people them when I want to pay the partner? Listen when me I say I'm not arguing with you because I'm not that type of person. Listen up. I'm not that type of person to argue with you. Listen,
Are you hearing me?
are you hearing me? I'm not being disrespectful, but to all your no, based on your reasoning ability, it come like that now make no sense. So what I'm saying to you, I'm making a point to you as an individual. I'm saying to you, listen up, relax. I'm saying to you, why is it that you are alone in the red light? Why aren't you calling out the individuals to jam up your partner? Why is it so hard? It's either of two options. With that fact, it's either of two options. It's either you rob up the money or you're afraid that who the partner or no partner never did a run. Just a few persons did in there, but you make it look like there was a lot of persons.
Yeah. Is there a message?
Huh? I'm not hearing you. It's not clear. Me not argue with you all now, no, because me not really do the arguing business. Me just have said to you, say, him want me to intervene and ask about it, and me I go be the soft person or the more civilized one and ask about it. You sleep comfortable at night knowing say you owe people money and them thing there? Huh? You hear me? You feel comfortable sleeping at night owing people money and everybody will look for you a certain way? No, but Spice, me I ask you a question. Why you can't tell me how much money you collect so far? Why is it so hard? No,
Exactly,
yeah,
Kimali. I be a fucking shit at all.
so I call time to get dry.
I be a fucking spice at all, girl.
So where the money them there? The people they don't want to the
10 people get dry already. Where you think I got? You don't know how much into the money out?
how much people get dry already? 10? So the 10 people them don't want to get none out of the 10 people they don't pay about them.
I did not say that. I did not say that, and I'm saying other people still in the partner to get dry. I'm gonna say at this point, Kim, the thing is already out the door, and I really don't. Honestly, I don't care.
Nothing on the partner for you enough. Something to just see and leave alone.
100% I got allow me to speak. You have allow me to speak? Can I speak?
Yeah, speak.
Okay, and I'm telling you this, that over the weekend, when I promised I've been calling 100 people. I even called my mentor to reach out to people for me. So you don't know this information. When I got up Tuesday morning and see the post and said, Batman, I got just to Batman and Kenya tell you the truth, say, I don't care. The partner on September 21st, 23rd, and people just have to go to their next best. Personally, people get drawn. I've been calling them, and it is from.
So you are going to say you don't care? No, but we have to not make no sense. We have to not make no sense.
Make that sense. So if don't chat, then have a good day. All right? We don't want to be disrespectful.
No, but we have to not make no sense. You can't run jokes.
talk to Smart like a little baby. Smart know what you do. This small winning. The hungry belly the winning. Go suck your mother, bitch. Bitch, go suck your mother, Small. You win. Hungry belly, girl. Go suck out your granny. Your dead granny, hungry belly, girl. Small, you win. Bitch, hungry belly, bitch, you win. All close, Small,
No, man,
you win.
so I get to slap up, man.
Police, make sure when you talk to Small, to stop. They book a ticket. Blood clot now.
You don't have to book no ticket, Cow. Cow, you do not have to book no ticket.
You don't have my phone.
Cow?
See your friend.
Cow?
You talk to Small to blood clot, stop. Small them hungry.
Cow?
What kind of wait for them people for blood clot? So that bitch is a liar. That
No,
get
no,
my
like,
man.
I run partner,
Cow, I beat up
and
and
nobody
come,
jam up my
sir.
partner. Me, I come on social media, can call out their name.
Why
That
you beat
me, I call out
up your cow?
everybody's
Me tell
name.
you, girl. Me tell you to
Cause me
believe
alone
it.
now shame. I
You
will always
hear
just
the
see me.
disgrace with the partner, and you still boy you throw cause you look blood clot, but you never tell you say you have no money for blood clot yet. From the partner
No.
mash up, she's supposed to take her money what she have and pay out to all of who in there so she don't have to collect back no money. And who watch she collect it and put it back in her account if it's to be the blood clot kid. You beat up your government too much because you should never they accept money with the one. Yeah? But you don't listen. So anything gonna get on the take.
Every minute the girl a girl, me sack the cow, you go get your money. Week pass is like the girl don't want to give my blood clot money. What my pussy clot do?
Yeah, just put it
I
in the
risk my
bag.
run. And the end of the day, she have the audacity. She have the audacity to come on blood clot social media get shot.
People are blood clot, I swear.
I over party with you and come
Yeah,
and tell you
she
about
call her
police.
liberty state.
Come
So
and
they
tell
make you
you.
want to live, you know? And you know bad enough?
But you know how me enough so for going to party with hungry belly back man and not even live like me blood clot. Small them not even live like me and them the America from Wapikill Philo. Them not even have social work permit in America blood clot. Some party man who hungry and not even live like me go put my blood clot self for the partner with them. I prefer be in and save my blood clot money. Come back to bad, I have been there myself more than blood clot phone July. Me I kill up myself for through phone July blood clot week time. And the bitch have the audacity. But girl, the girl the winning. Girl she win. Yeah, tell her that. No me girl the winning. She win.
I don't know your chop, but you ever buy tickets. So. You like to
If
talk
you know,
about.
oh, I'm going to pick up myself with some people who are worse than me to blood clot. I just snuff me now.
Da. But Cow, why did still at you?
Yeah? What you say, Carlos?
Why did still at you the partner?
Because Trey, that's why I'm cause Trey to Trey said to me, say, call the partner good, and that's why I'm still did that show the partner. Because Trey said to me, say, call the partner good
But
man,
me
the
never
partner
tell
mash
you
up. I
to
said,
leave
but
the
me still
partner.
have
Me never
the
tell you leave
money.
the partner. Huh? Me never
No,
tell you
in
leave
the partner, in the partner.
She can't come on New York.
She now come on
Yeah,
New York.
winning.
Me never tell her leave the partner business alone. Because you're not going to get the money. I don't know how to do it, my love, but I'm not running a joke. Nobody have money for money has to get in America.
And the big pussy girl have audacity to run up her dirty blood clot mouth. And I come talk about she mix with Batty man. Me never beg them yet. The first time she beg me, me get her H&M short set. That's the first time Smalls ever look good. And I come talk about she never beg Batty man yet. Like me cow ever blood clot them. I beg and them call me and beg me. I beg dirty, I beg hungry belly people worse than blood clot me not foreign.
Upa Jesus,
Before I beg them, I rather know run going down and store up, but pick something, you know, me can't sell at $200. We are September the 23rd. The business is small part and much up on them hungry, small and lucky.
I have a phone and say, come on, you get in trouble. Now I get in trouble.
out this situation that I do with Instagram.
I'm never talk about
I forget to visit them. Me not talk on them with them.
Yeah. But so have I address the world small, yeah? But the Jamaican, all of the country, man.
Me don't know how me enough,
all
so
right,
I just enough me not know.
they say the partner wasn't about people getting them draw. The partner come about because the party have come up and are the only way we can see a
Yeah.
way through. It's to run a partner,
The
set the
only the
first
hungry belly
draw,
woman can say I
and
wait
then
through.
keep my party, and then if I make the money, I pay the people. Because I can't understand. If the partner mash up, girl, stop telling people money.
Me say me go get a chaser for the woman and I'll know the way your batty man
But I
wicked
tell
and
us,
evil.
a good name, you look, da. I like me, nobody not for like me, because I know my stands alone.
With that bright blood clot, so me in a chat with smart girl, me have her address and me have every information. So me just sit down with my blood clot money. The bitch partner mash up from long time. She'll come talk about
Yeah, mash up long
September the
time.
23rd, the
So
blood
you should
clot.
never
Look at my people, you give them
people
job on them right there. So who is blood clot me?
All who get
Oh,
draw.
but you hear me a mascot or me a weak friend.
All
Okay.
get draw. All right, then 10 people in a partner, 5 get draw and a throw back. Stop the partner right there, so.
I be like the woman I tell girl, why you gonna listen to woman information? The woman and I text me, I'm not even interested in the way me ignorant. I'm not even real shot text me. Can you remember about my blood clot money?
Use your money and pay back the people because in every partner of the bank I get the first draw. I'm supposed to put on that money in case something goes.
Alright, it's a rain money because now I can read over.
Come hear you all the part when live I keep you the part. Oh, I send my partner money. I send my partner money come and get that. Kiss out the blood clot. I don't want no
Yes, because I believe because the way me they like the wicked woman, but as far as them lion blood clot, wicked and evil, and then I come talk about people beg them like never blood clot beg. As far as them yet, ever beg you get drunk crowd when you have something the way you're not hungry, they're gonna pussy clot, but beg. Girl, me in the argument, you know, me in the only argument with them, after blood clot get my money, after get my 2,800 and the 200 out of chaser, me get around 400 out of chaser for her, but through me sell half price, me sell her them for 200, so my after blood clot get that 200 and the two. When I walk, not even some people worse than me, I can't even call. Me just feel dumb.